wind could impact cleanup efforts after Tuesday's destructive tornadoes. This is a look at the damage in Aroma Park.
One person was found dead in the rubble there, marking the first tornado death in Illinois from these storms. Our Darius Johnson joining us live in Aroma Park this morning, where we're seeing crews and volunteers working to clean up all of this debris. Darius.
Hey there, ladies. Good morning to you. Crews started to move in around 7 o'clock this morning, and you can hear the humming sound of the wood chippers and even some of the generators that are still going this morning. As our photographer John Guajardo kind of pans out, look and just take a look at some of the debris that's left behind. This is a boat that has been flipped and tossed around due to that EF3 tornado that came through this area. And if we pan over, you can see where some people are even working on top of a roof, as many of these neighbors in this area are still trying to get things back to normal, or as normal as they can be. Take a look. It has now been more than 48 hours since an EF3 tornado tore through Kankakee County, with winds reaching 150 miles per hour. On the second day of cleanup, investigators found one person dead in the rubble, the first confirmed tornado fatality in Illinois. Across Kankakee County, residents are still digging through debris to try to salvage what they can. Nearly 500 structures were damaged and 30 homes were destroyed. Yesterday, Governor J.B. Pritzker toured the damage in Aroma Park and says the state will request federal disaster assistance through FEMA to help families begin rebuilding. Many families here say the warnings came, but the storm moved even faster.
Once it stopped and cleared, I went upstairs and tried to survey the damage. I mean, immediately once I got upstairs, I could see the house opening, and from the roof, from the front of the house, and all over.
After seeing this, I'll go back and look at whatever the state can do to help your local efforts. And then later this afternoon, I'll be talking to the feds.
Communities across the state line in Lake Village, Indiana are also beginning a long road to recovery after the same storm system killed 2 people and destroyed dozens of homes. State leaders say they hope federal disaster aid will help communities like Aroma Park and Lake Village rebuild, but officials say recovery will likely take months. Back out here live this morning again, you can take a look at that cleanup that is still underway here. And one thing that has been worrying this morning is the wind gusts as they are coming through right now. This is what people have been experiencing, blowing tarps and even blowing some of this debris, which could make it harder for crews as they continue to clean up. Meanwhile, Kankakee County schools remain closed. We're live in Aroma Park. I'm Darius Johnson. Jackie, Audrina, back to you.
Yeah, Darius, that's an incredible image behind you, but you could also see the trees just blowing in the wind too.